Going on, everybody? MVP Collectables back here again today with another, well, statue unboxing, I guess. Story with this thing. This is going to be the DC Collectables Black Manta statue from the movie, from the DCEU film, Aquaman. And this is the epitome of an impulse buy. I got home from seeing the movie. I got on Sideshow's website. I searched Black Manta because I heard a rumor that they weren't going to make the Black Manta hot toy, and I needed a Black Manta, and I hit buy, and the moment I did that, I'm like, what the fuck am I doing? But for those of you that don't know, I don't know if this is just me, this might just be me, but when you buy something that's in stock now with Sideshow, they will automatically begin your payment process, which anyone that knows, payment process with Sideshow means days or many hours, even though, guys, it takes 10 minutes. But they just say payment processing just because they can. And because of the Sideshow rules, where if there's a payment in process, you cannot cancel. I couldn't cancel. So this guy ended up coming, 180 bucks. So not the end of the world. It's not like I did it with a statue. That would have fucking pissed me off. But 180 bucks. I also bought Mara, but she was on a wait list, and so I just canceled that one. But yeah, so that's what this thing is. Enough with my fucking stories, guys. You guys are here for this. Black Manta, DC Collectables Black Manta statue. I went between this one and the Iron Studios 1/10 scale. And whereas Iron Studios 1/10 Aquaman is cooler, this I thought was cooler. And actually a fun fact, I actually got the last one of these before Sideshow said it was sold out. However, now they must have found more or something, because now it doesn't say that. But for a couple days, it had it wait-listed, and I believe I was the last one to buy it. So, here we go. Do note, this is just a normal box. There's no Sideshow or anything, which I find is a little bit strange, since with Sideshow's other distributed properties, they all say they're Sideshow thing. But it must also be that, I don't know if Sideshow makes these size of boxes. So that could be another reason. I'm sorry for the pretty shitty lighting. Jesus. Wow, that was very formally in there. So yeah, you guys are seeing this even before I am, the front of the box. So, do note, I won't be using my turntable, because my turntable is still under my new 52 Cyborg. And I don't want to try to get it out without lifting him up, and I don't want to lift him up because I got one hand. I could lift him up physically, but I'm just going to wait for my father to do it, because he's going to be a lot better at it than I am. Here's the box, guys. Nothing too much to talk about. Black Manta symbol, DC, Aquaman movie, Black Manta statue, DC Collectables. Numbered, limited edition, and then it says the same thing in Spanish. The rest of the box is just solid black, so I won't take you guys for a spin. I won't do anything like that. Okay, and I can't get this stupid thing out. Maybe I can. There we go. Okay, there's a bunch of warnings up top. Blah, 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 blah. I'm actually really looking for, I actually think this guy's going to be really cool. I don't think I'll get the Mira and Aquaman one, which is kind of silly, but I'm still hoping that they make their hot toy versions. I will get the hot toy Aquaman. So if they do not make a hot toy Mira, which would be a fucking disaster, because they fucking should. I'm pulling in my French, but they really fucking should. Yeah, there we go. Normal normal styrofoam. There's a thing up top that says top. The bottom says bottom. Apologize for the noise. I do believe this is 1/6 scale. I believe. I could be wrong about that, so don't leave a comment saying I'm wrong, because I do admit that might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure this is 1/6. Which of course makes sense. 1/6 are normally around 12 inches, and this one's like 12 point something. So again, I apologies for the noise. Some people, most unboxers actually, do cut this out of their videos. I do not. I don't know. If you guys want me to, leave a comment, and I might consider it in the editing process. I just like keeping it in because I do. I also really am not the fan of unboxers that speed things up and play music over the unboxing. Because, no offense, but what the hell's the point? Like, I mean, probably the most famous guy that does that, which I love his channel, but is the Prime Collector. He does that all the time. But here we go. Dude. Okay. Okay. I may have been wrong. This dude is fucking sick. Holy shit. Real quick. This is what it is. Base down here. Of course, body, the sword. Looks like a hand there. The other hand. So again, it's out of turntable. I'm just going to be setting them up over here. I'll even put this on my lap. Move this thing closer. This thing is really cool. Number 1,228 of 5,000. Ooh, that's super cool. It's got like this. Okay, I doubt the camera's gonna pick this up, but it's got like this watery blue tint. It kind of does. Kind of. Probably best there, maybe. It looks black. You guys do know it's like this cool, this blue tint. Very cool. Impressed with that. Why are Hot Toys more than this? Like, no offense, but this thing's fucking solid. There we go. I got it. So, just like that. Dude, okay. Okay. Unbelievably shitty light, and I do apologize. But, wow. It's kind of annoying that the base is that small when he's literally, like, fucking massive compared to it. Very strong magnet there, like, incredibly strong magnet. I was going to give this to my buddy, literally, because I didn't know really what the fuck to do with this guy. I'm not giving him to my buddy. Joe, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. Fucking hell. I didn't think this guy would be that cool. I'm sorry, like, moving him is really weird, but he's dragging his foot on the thing, so. Dude. Okay. Yeah. You guys can kind of see now how that's blue. Kind of. But, wow. Okay. Level of detail. Just. Oh. I'm going to have to get the mirror. I'm sorry. And I'm probably just going to get the Aquaman 2 and then skip the Hot Toy. I don't know. We're going to wait. I'm going to get the mirror, and then if they announce the other Hot Toys, whatever. But. Okay. This has been an MVP Collectables unboxing of the awesome Black Manta DC Collectables statue, 1/6 scale. This guy's a big 1/6 scale too. He's big. I don't have a tape measure. I'll do that in my review later on. I do not know when my review will be up, so no idea. I got Cyborg like almost a month ago, and his review isn't even up yet. I haven't even edited it, so I'm way behind on that shit. So I do apologize. I'll try to get this up as soon as possible. Today is December 21st, 2018. So if you're watching this in March, I do apologize. But yeah, everybody, this guy's a lot cooler than I thought he would be. I'm gonna probably end up getting the Mila statue. So yeah, everybody, pick this guy up if you're a fan. He's awesome. Until my next video, guys. Bye-bye.